Hi, Erin. My name is Brooke with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. I came across your business on Nextdoor while doing some research in your area. Um, and I really liked what you had to say about serving your community. Like a priority of yours is providing a affordable, reliable, trustworthy service. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. Um, The three things that we're going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. All of this information is free. You can even do this yourself. Whenever you do these things, it will optimize your website for Google. It will enhance your platform to convert more customers, and it will get more traffic to your website. So content is everything that you see on your website. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. What Google does is they have web crawling bots that crawl every single website on the internet. They gather information and then they use that information to determine where to rank you on the search engine result page for whenever people look for a plumber in Overland Park. Now, the first thing that pops up are your paid ads. Here are the Google guaranteed ads, and then there are the regular pay-per-click ads. The Google guarantee ads have a higher auditing process, but it is 100% worth it. It increases the trustworthiness between your customers and you, and it has a higher conversion rate for that as well, and it has less spammy clicks. There are quite a few people that have ad blockers on their website. So if you're just running paid ads, then you're missing out on quite a bit of opportunities when you're getting new customers. The next spot is the Google Business page. I will refer to it as your GBP or Google Business Profile. Um, One of the things that Google uses when ranking you for this is a citation. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You can find these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn. Nextdoor is a directory that's considered to be a citation. So whenever you get those, you want to get as many citations as you can. You don't want to just stop at how many Superior Plumbing has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or even 100 to really dominate them in your plumbing industry. And then there are the organic listings. 30% of your business should come from your GBP. The remaining 70% should be coming from your organic listing or from your website. I have a web crawling tool called Ahrefs. Google Analytics is more accurate, but this really tells us what's going on under the hood, the keywords that they're having, how powerful their website is, and how much traffic your competition is getting each month. So I'm going to compare your website to the top three competitors over here. And the competitors that I am choosing are the ones in the organic listings, not the top three in the GBP. Okay, so your website was built on Wix. Wix does not support SEO or the backlinks that I'm about to tell you about. A backlink is what adds power to your website. It's more of a popularity contest on Google. It's other websites referring you to your website for business. So if you have a store that provides plumbing parts, and then they can add a link to your website recommending your company for plumbing businesses. So it's kind of like that. For backlinks, you really want to utilize quality over quantity. You do not want as many backlinks as you can get. You want a backlink that is relevant to your profession, and you want it to be a high quality backlink. Okay, so we're going to look at LUTs. They have quite a bit of information. Whenever we look at Ahrefs, it looks like they have multiple service areas. So this is just for their Overland Park page. They have a high power and a lower trust rating. They only have 28 keywords on this one web page, but they are getting 601 people on their website every month. About 10% of those 600 people are going to turn into real customers. These are what we call qualified leads. So most of these people are just shopping around and doing research, looking for parts, but 10% of those are actually going to call Let's Plumbing and have them come out and fix a plumbing issue. Next we have AB May. They have multiple service areas as well. They have a high power lower trust rating, 44 keywords, and they have 147 people on this one website each month. Then we have A1 sewer and septic plumbing services. Their website is not as fancy, but your website is not only supposed to represent your company, it's supposed to increase the trust between you and your customer. It gives you more authority, and its main job is supposed to be to bring you customers. It's supposed to have a regular revenue that just keeps bringing in and bringing in. So not only do you have these loyal customers that call you whenever they have an issue, you're getting new customers and growing your business each month. All right, so they have a high power, low trust rating, only 30 keywords, and 192 people on their website each month. Now I'm comparing these to your website because um, with the right marketing strategy and the right information on your website, you can absolutely dominate them in the plumbing industry. I know you're just a small business, but if you want to grow your business, please feel free to reach out. We can schedule a short phone call and see if I can help you grow your business. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.